Bruh.
This is a tutorial for Maincell and automated break cell. First, make your Maincell and the door. Press Ctrl T. Make it func breakable. And name it Maincell door so you can know. Click apply. Make a button. Press Ctrl T. Make func button. Click apply. Go to outputs. On pressed. Maincell door, which is the name of the Maincell. Break. Click apply. Go to entities, make an entity, double click, make it logic timer, click apply, go to outputs, press add, on timer, Maincell door, that's the door name, break. And this is the delay time, so after the run starts, like I wanted to make it 20 seconds, so type 20, click apply. Now you should be good to go. Run your game, join T side, you can be CT or T. I picked T because I placed the spawn there. Now it should auto open after 20 seconds. Like that. Now when you press it, it breaks too.